Welcome to the Sypnotix. I'm Alex. It's almost that time of year again. The holiday season is approaching and Black Friday is coming up. One of the most popular things people buy during Black Friday are mechanical keyboards. I mean, everybody has a computer and they have to type on something, and mechanical keyboards are a great tool for just about anybody to have. We're big fans here at the Sypnotix of mechanical keyboards. Sarah and I review a bunch of them throughout the year. This is a accumulation of all the keyboard sounds for those reviews in one video, so you guys can kind of hear what these keyboards sound like before you buy them. This is our Mechanical Keyboard Sounds Volume 2. And that wraps it up for this video. Let me know what your favorite sound is from which one of these boards. Which one has that ASMR feel to it that you enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video.
So the other day, I was on a Zoom call at work, and I just dropped everything I was saying, and I told them, subscribe.